Hello everyone, so today's video I'm gonna share with you one application that can help you to learn different languages. 30 plus different languages in just one app. So we go to Play Store. So to those who are new to my channel and who are new on this application is what we call Duolingo. So Duolingo languages. So they have new updates now. Actually, I have already this language application. So let's gonna update this one to see what's new. So last updated May 14, 2020. So Duolingo learn languages free for free. So they just updated last updated May 14, 2020. So yeah, just yesterday. Let's read what's new. Whether it's 7 or 2,000 days, your Duolingo streak deserves to be celebrated. With our latest update, you can now send a congratulatory message to friends and others you follow when they reach certain streaks milestone. Try it out today. So you can now send a message to the people or to the other users who use this application. So about this app, learn Spanish, French, German, Italian, English, and more languages for free. Want to learn Spanish or Latin for your studies, French, Japanese, or German for your career, dream or reading books in their original version, or simply enjoy learning a new language. Use Duolingo to make language learning quick, effective, and enjoyable. So 5 reasons to download Duolingo. So why Duolingo? It's free. First, it's free, fun, effective, quick, and user-friendly. So every lesson is short and fun. So Duolingo, the best way to practice writing. So here, Duolingo, the best way to practice writing and listening to expand your vocabulary and learn French, English, Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, German, Portuguese, Italian, and many other languages. And now you can also learn Latin, Arabic, Welsh, Scottish, Gaelic, Irish, and Russian. So these are the new language they have that available on this application: Latin, Arabic, Welsh, Scottish, Gaelic, Irish, and Russian. So editor's choice and best of the best in Google Apps. So this is why I show you about this, because it has editor's choice and one of the best application in Google Play. The best language learning app. So this free app and website is among the most effective language learning methods I've tried. Lessons come in the form of brief challenges, speaking, translating, answering multiple choice questions that keep me coming back for more in real time. So this is feedback, the New York Times. So user intro app, editor's choice. They also have some ads. So version 4.63.3 updated just May 14, 2020. So yesterday lang guys. So we are lucky that I shared this with you with new updates. So you can see here 100 million downloads. So Google Comments released. So this app is released last May 29, 2013. So it's almost 7 years in this application. So let's go and continue app. So let's open the application. Duolingo, learn a language for free forever. So if you're just getting started, get started. So I want to learn. So what language do you want to learn here? Spanish, French, German, Italian, English, Japanese, Chinese, Russian, Korean, Portuguese, Arabic, Dutch, Swedish, Norwegian, Turkish, and many more. So just choose whatever languages you want. Here, Korean, they also have Korean. Here. And let's choose Italian. For me, I rather learn Italian. So why are you learning language? Culture, for travel, job opportunities, brain training, school, family, friends, and other. So for me, it's brain training. So pick a goal: casual, 5 minutes a day, regular 10 minutes a day, serious, insane. So I'll choose just regular. Learning Italian for the first time, already know some Italian. So for me, I'm using this language to learn Italian. So for you, I will show you learning for the first time. So for those who just now know about this language, so which of these is one? Let's go.
Il ragazzo. Un ragazzo.
Oh, I'm wrong. So here, my life card. You have life, which is the hearts. So I one mistake, less one heart.
L'uomo. La ragazza. Una donna. Una. Io sono un uomo. Io sono la ragazza. Io sono la donna. Io sono la donna.
So here, tap what you hear.
Io sono l'uomo. Un ragazzo.
So they will give you also XP. Mission completed, then XP. So one day straight. Also start you practicing every day to reach your goals. Equip for free. You unlock a gift with this one-time streak rates. Please, you can miss one day or practice with this streak. So you can also create your profile. Like that, you can save your progress and continue learning for free. So just later, so I'm gonna give you a quick tour on this application. So we have here basic 1, which is lesson 1/3, and level 0 to 5. And then basic 2, you also have phrases, food, plurals, animals, food to possession. So clothing, questions, present 1, colors, conjunctions, prepositions, time, family, measure, occupation, household, adjective, present 2, adverbs, places, objects, people, critics 1, numbers, determine, present 3, present perfect tense, I guess this one, adjectives, infinitives, pronouns, formal you, imperative, education, travel, directions, past, so there, future, gerund, arts, future perfect tense, abstracts, object, subject, rest, science. So you can see here a lot of them, but this one you cannot do the quiz or start this you have to unlock these skills. So complete checkpoint 3. So here guys, you have to complete first these steps or lessons before you unlock to another one. Here, create your profile and sign in. You need a profile to use leaderboard. So here you can see your score or your level, so your progress in this is. So a lot of people using this. You need a profile to get items in the shop. So they also have shops if you want to purchase something. So that's it. If you want to change your course, you have here Spanish, French. So okay, so that's it for today, for today's video. So I hope you learn again something from me. So don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share if you can. Please subscribe to my channel, Daily Tech and Ideas, for new updates and more videos to share. So God bless everyone.